The nucleus accumbens is the major component of the ventral striatum and is situated between the caudate,
which is the coronal section,
and the putamen.
The coronavirus. Caudate.
The nucleus accumbens is typically divided.
The caudate, which means it's a C-shaped structure with thick anterior portion called the head. Having a tail, intelligence, tail, what is the function of it? In the execution of movement, also in learning, memory, reward, motivation, emotion, and romantic interaction, which is obviously the romantic interaction.
Divided into two anatomical components, an outer shell and a central core. There are thought to be functional differences between these two regions, where the shell is more associated with the limbic system and the core is more strongly connected to the motor system. It should be noted, however, that while this distinction between shell and core is clearly seen in rodents, it is less evident in humans.
Rodents, I saw the word rod earlier, like rodents.
Although the nucleus accumbens is best known as part of the reward system, its functions are much more complex than simple reward processing and are still not fully understood. The nucleus earned its reputation as a key part of the reward system, in a large part due to its connections with the ventral tegmental area, or VTA. Dopamine neurons project from the VTA to the nucleus accumbens as part of the mesolimbic dopamine pathway, and this pathway is activated in association with rewards.
Asthma.
However, the exact role of the nucleus accumbens in processing rewards is not completely clear. It is thought that the nucleus accumbens likely plays a role in learning about rewards and the stimuli that are associated with them. It also seems to be important to stimulating the pursuit of reward.
The pursuit of reward. Obviously, when you're drunk, you could find any sort of information right now. Reward, if you think about alcohol. Alcohol increases the reward value, reward cravings. Obviously I'm trying to get some sort of reward. Obviously I'm trying to get some sort of big payoff at the end, and my brain is like, look at this part of your brain, it's this part of your brain or whatever. It's obviously important or whatever, like look at it. The absence of rewards. The prediction error signal is observed in targets with a different portion of the striatum. Strive, I have a song called Strive. TUM, which is a gut feeling, eating, gut. Striatum, evidence of coding for errors in prediction using primary room sources is being correlated with a prediction error signal. Notably, dopamine cells. I should do this all night and just see what it says about the brain or whatever, because I am drunk. The appetite and heed. He, nod, London, Don, nod, done. I see nature of rewards can elicit exploratory or approach behaviour. Through associative learning, rewards can reinforce a behaviour. So, reinforce a behaviour or assign positive value to a previously neurostimulus or action. To insert an influence on behaviour, they must be first detected by the brain. Social interactions. I just had some social interactions.